If you've ever heard scratching, thumping, or scurrying noises coming from your attic, there is a high chance it could be wildlife. Squirrels are one of the most common culprits. They're active during the day and tend to make loud, repetitive scratching or rolling noises as they move around and chew through insulation or wiring. At night, bats might be the cause. Listen for faint fluttering or high-pitched chirps, especially near dusk or dawn. Birds can also get trapped in attics and make flapping, pecking, or chirping sounds. Then there are rats and mice, which usually sound like soft, quick scurrying or light gnawing, especially late at night when the house is quiet. Each pest leaves behind its own set of problems, from chewed wires and droppings to serious health risks. If you're hearing unexplained noises overhead, call a local pest control company like Bugbusters immediately before a small intrusion turns into a full-blown infestation.